I mean, it's raining hard. Look at him. I mean, he's got that umbrella. Look at it. It ain't helping him. It ain't helping him nothing. He said to hell with that umbrella. He said to hell with that umbrella. Watch him. It ain't, look at that, but he ain't got the first thing out of there yet. Oh, Lord. He's done. He's soaked. He's soaked. He is soaked. There ain't no way he couldn't be soaked. I mean, there's no way he ain't just drenched and wet.
He's done.
I mean, look at him. Oh, hear that rain. Oh, Lord. He don't even care now. Look at that buggy. It's still full.
Oh.
It's still full.
Throw his groceries away.
I mean, look at it. He's got to go to the other side now or get in the trunk. He's soaked. He's done. Oh. 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 That is awful. Awful. It has poured the rain the entire time.
The entire time he was out here?
Yeah. I mean, look at him. Look at him. He just can't, I mean, look at that. I ain't never seen nobody pack that much in a damn grocery cart anyway. He's about got it empty. All his stuff's wet too. All his stuff's wet too.
What's he gonna do about that?
I mean, all his groceries, everything he's bought is soaked.
What's he gonna do about it?
The inside of his car's wet. His windows will fog up. Watch him. He's going to take his buggy back. Why not? I mean, hell, he's already soaked. Yeah, I mean, he can't get no wetter.
What's he gonna do when he gets home?
Hey, them blue jeans is watch him.
Oh!
Look at him.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Yeah, his windows will fog up. See, ours is fogging up.
Has he got long sleeves too?
Oh yeah, his clothes are stuck to him.
Oh!
Only thing be funny now is if he had a dead battery.
That's why you don't wear heavy clothes. You don't drench on you.
You know he's a miserable man. Hey, when he drives by, toot your horn at him. Hey, don't, because he'd try to kill us.
Really?
Yeah, he's already mad.
Why?
You know he's miserable. I mean, look at us. These windows is fogging up, where we can't hardly, there, that's my fault. You can't hardly even see.
Hey, send me that video because my phone didn't get good. It got me laughing. That's at least.
I know. Well, I wished I hadn't had the. I wished I hadn't had the. He's soaked.
He's probably gonna take a shower when he gets home.
He done took a shower. What he needs to do.
No, he has to dry off.
I know.